This video teaches you how to convert an HTML file into a Word document. Convert your HTML file to plain text if necessary. Open Notepad by typing Notepad into Start and then clicking Notepad. Paste your copied HTML into Notepad. Click File. Click Save As. Click the Save As Type drop-down box. Click All Files. Type a file name followed by a period and HTML into the file name text box. Click Save. Open Microsoft Word. Click Open. Click Browse. Select your document and click Open. It's in the bottom right corner of the window. This will open the HTML document in its formatted form in Microsoft Word. Make any necessary changes. Click File. Click Save As. Save it as a Word document. Click the Save as File Type drop-down menu and select Word Document. You can also enter a new name for your Word file in the File Name text box if need be. Click Save. Doing so will save a Word copy of your HTML file. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.